Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. In this CELPIP task 1 response, the writer clearly requests information about joining community activities. If you need more time, feel free to pause and read the full answer carefully. The email successfully covers all 3 bullet points, such as providing personal details clearly. The writer states their name and that they live near the Oakdale shopping mall, which helps the reader understand who is asking. The writer then clearly explains their interest by mentioning specific activities like soccer, painting, and volunteering. Finally, they request information about schedules, specifically asking for times, days, and needed equipment. The email is organized effectively, starting with a polite greeting followed by clear paragraphs. The tone is formal but friendly, suitable for contacting a community center. Short and clear sentences make the email easy to understand. The writer uses helpful linking words like especially, also, and additionally to smoothly connect ideas. There are 2 slightly advanced words included, participate and registration. These stretch words are appropriate at this level and show a strong vocabulary. A useful tip for beginners writing Task 1 emails is to clearly follow the bullet points given. Always provide personal details first, clearly express your interests, and directly ask questions for information. Doing this helps keep your email organized and ensures you fully answer the task. This explanation shows clearly why option A, adding more playground equipment, is an excellent choice. If you need more time, please pause the video and carefully read the full answer. The writer clearly states their choice at the beginning and gives two strong reasons to support it. Firstly, they point out the need for safe and interesting playground spaces. Secondly, the response explains how playgrounds help build stronger community connections by attracting families and encouraging new friendships. The organization of this response is clear and logical. The introduction quickly explains the choice, followed by two distinct paragraphs for the reasons. Finally, the conclusion effectively summarizes the main ideas. The tone is semi-formal, appropriate for writing to a city council. The writer uses helpful linking words such as firstly, secondly, and however, making the structure easy to follow. Two stretch vocabulary words, maintenance and promoting, show an advanced vocabulary skill without being too difficult for intermediate learners. A practical tip for beginners is to clearly state your choice in the first sentence. Then, explain each reason in separate paragraphs. This method helps keep your response organized and easy for readers to understand. Using simple linking words like firstly or also can make your writing clearer and more structured. This explanation clearly shows why option B, planting additional trees and flowers, is a strong and beneficial choice. You can pause the video if you need extra time to read the full answer carefully. The writer clearly introduces their choice at the beginning and supports it with two main reasons. The first reason is the positive impact on the park's appearance, describing it as creating peaceful and welcoming environments. Secondly, the response highlights environmental benefits, mentioning cleaner air and healthier ecosystems, clearly explaining why trees and flowers are important. The structure of this response is easy to follow. It begins with an introduction stating the choice, has separate paragraphs for each reason, and ends with a clear conclusion summarizing the main points. The semi-formal tone is appropriate for addressing the city council, making the response polite yet direct. Useful linking words such as firstly, secondly, and however are included to help organize ideas clearly. Two stretch vocabulary items used are environmentally and ecosystems, which provide slightly higher level language while remaining understandable for intermediate learners.